Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 Acura TL Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use these two buttons over here, the select and reset button and the down button, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position, and if you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice without your foot on the brake. Now go ahead and use that select and reset button. Keep pressing it. You were there. Until you find oil life. As you can see, 5%, it needs to be serviced. Now go ahead and hit that select and reset button and hold it for approximately 10 seconds. Go ahead and let go. Now use the down arrow to go to reset. I'm sorry. Use the up arrow. This arrow right here. Forgot to mention that. Now as the reset highlighted, go ahead and hit that select and reset button and hold it. Actually, just click it once and you're set. You're good to go. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.